Guys, andito ako sa Houseland. Guys, tignan nyo to. Itong slide, so I never experienced this one. Wow, guys, look, where am I? I never explored this part of Houseland. I never explored this since the beginning that I moved out here in Houseland. Well, because I was scared. I was scared because, you know, we don't know. We don't know what nagpunta ako dun, oh. Content niyo po. Tara, balik tayo. So, babalik tayo dito sa slides. Tapos ikot tayo sa buong Houseland. So, yeah, we're here and I try to speak in English, guys, but if I'm wrong, then make it right, okay? Yeah. I was right there. Wow. Oh, guys, I'm here. Wow, I'm here. Wow, I never explored a part of this. Tara, balik ka tayo. In-explore lang natin yung mga ano dito. We just explore other part of Houseland because we don't explore things. Yan, different houses. Yan. We're just vlogging, you know. We miss vlogs because we explore these things, you know. Yan. So we're going back now. We just explore things. Yeah, ito yung this is all the other subdivision here. We're just, you know, going vlog here. Yeah. Yan. We're going back because after we explore this part of Houseland, we're just going back. Yeah, we're going back. Yeah, and just explore things. I'm just vlogging. Nagpunta ako dun sa slide, dun sa greenhouse. Nagpunta ako dun sa may slide.
Kita ka nga namin.
Ayan.
Wow!
Ayan. Nag-vlog ako ngayon. Just being vlogging. Yan. Different houses. Different subdivision here. We're going back. Yan. Yan, we're going back because it's turned 6 o'clock. Vlogging. You know, we miss this chance. All of my days, I do not have a vlog. Guru, I miss this chance that I should return to vlog because I don't have any vlogs So we should return home or continue walking. Namiss ko yung vlog Namiss ko Should we return? Ayan. Sa po tayo iikot, papakatin natin yung buong Houseland. Ayan. Yun yung mga bahay. We should go back to vlog because, you know, we missed it. Since our last vlog is yung sa Mega World, no? So, after kasi nung World, yung sa may Mega World, doon sa may capital, so hindi natin ay continue, so continue tayo dito because we miss it. Yeah, we miss our vlogs just to show people that what we're capable of. Yeah, I was here, guys. I don't want to show myself because it's my privacy. So, yan, we're vlogging here, so we don't need to show ourselves. Yan, different houses. Yan, we show different houses. that we, ayan, ikutin natin itong buo. Ayan. So, ayan o, may mga hindi pa gawang bahay. Ayan. Tinatapos pa. Ayan. Ay, shit. Sorry. Medyo nakakangali kasi. Ayan. So, ilibot-libot natin yung buong house land. Ayan. May tindahan dito. So, what now? So, kasi hindi dito nakarating doon sa NLEX eh. Natatakot pa rin tayo 2 minutes sa NLEX eh. Yan. Ayan. Yeah. Yes, right here. Here we go. Look at this all around the houses here. Yeah, I was just gonna vlogging, you know. I miss being vlog, my daily vlog, because since the end of our vlog in Mega World, yeah, since the last of that, the Mega World in Capitol, that's the last of our vlog, and we end it. We don't put our vlog anymore. So now we're back. We're back in our vlog since the last set, because yeah, I just remember that the last of my vlog in Capitol, some Mega World, we don't put the vlog anymore, just like that, just end it, because I don't have any time. I don't have time to vlog because it's kind of tired. I'm just going vlog. Yan. Different houses. Ayan. I don't want to show myself because, you know, for my privacy, guys. I'm just showing all the houses here. Ayan. All up way Da. We miss a chance opportunity. We miss a chance, guys. We should continue the vlog. What time is it now? It's 6:12. I'm just continuing my vlog because I missed it. I missed the vlog since the last of Mega World vlog ko. Yeah. And that's it.